Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about time management. Time is a valuable resource, and managing it efficiently can help you achieve your goals, reduce stress, and increase productivity. In this video, I'll be sharing some simple yet effective tips for better time management. Tip number 1. Plan your day in advance. Start by creating a to-do list the night before or early in the morning. This will help you prioritize your tasks and stay focused throughout the day. Use a planner or a digital calendar to keep track of your schedule, appointments, and deadlines. Tip number 2. Use a timer. Set a timer for each task you need to complete. This will help you stay focused and avoid distractions. It will also give you a sense of accomplishment when you finish a task within the allotted time. Tip number 3. Try the Pomodoro technique. This involves working for 25 minutes, taking a 5-minute break, and then repeating the process. This technique can help you stay focused, improve productivity, and reduce burnout. Tip number 4. Take breaks. It's important to take regular breaks to recharge and avoid burnout. Step away from your desk, go for a walk, or do something you enjoy during your break time. Tip number 5. Learn to say no. It's okay to say no to requests or tasks that don't align with your priorities or goals. Saying no can help you focus on what's important and avoid overcommitting yourself. Tip number 6. Limit distractions. Turn off notifications on your phone or computer, close unnecessary tabs, and avoid checking your email or social media too frequently. These distractions can take away from your productivity and increase stress. Tip number 7. Brainstorm and prioritize. Take some time to brainstorm and prioritize your tasks. This can help you identify what's important and what can wait. Use a whiteboard or a mind map to visualize your ideas and goals. Tip number 8. Celebrate your accomplishments. When you complete a task or reach a milestone, take a moment to celebrate your accomplishments. This will motivate you to keep going and stay on track. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. Let me know in the comments which tip resonated with you the most, and if you have any other tips for better time management. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.